What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Unless this is your first time here, then hello, nice to meet you. My name is Shambria. Hopefully you stick around for a while. So as you can tell by the title, we are doing an unboxing today. I am so excited for this, only because long story short, I bought it before my birthday back in June 4th to be exact. It was my birthday gift to myself. Well, part of it was my birthday gift to myself. Part of it was from my husband. Very happy with both items. Sorry, I talk with my hands a lot. So this is not a traditional unboxing. I have been using this bag for well over a month. We'll get to the story, but I planned everything out perfectly to get it right before my birthday so that I can unbox it, upload this video on my birthday, and then this was kind of like my happy purchase, something I was so excited for, something I've kind of been wanting for a while, but it just didn't feel right to upload it at the time, so I didn't. And now that I am back after my little break, we're here. So yeah, with all that being said, let's jump into the video. I've waited long enough to show you guys this item or these items, and yeah, before we get started, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and talk to me down in the comments. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you guys the items kinda, and then I will give you a little bit of backstory. With all that being said, this is my Cherrywood BB. I am absolutely in love with this bag. You guys, a little bit of detail. As you can see, the monogram does carry out all throughout the bottom and the opposite side. There is also this adorable, let me see if I can get it to focus. Hopefully you can see, but the strap is also monogrammed, and it has cowhide leather on the opposite side, as well as the handle is cowhide leather. So it's a nice little touch of color. I like that. Black, as you can see. It does also come in red and the rose ballerine. You have a little monogram tab here, and I love the opening. I believe it's similar to the Pochette Metis opening. You just kind of pull this up here, you open it up to more monogram, which I think is very elegant, very traditional, but a little bit of spunk at the same time. So I love her. So originally I told my husband, like, 2020 I'm going to get a Pochette Metis. It's a gorgeous bag, of course, but after years and years of talking about that bag, I said I was finally going to give in, whether I had to buy it pre-loved or if I could find one brand new. I told my husband, like, this is the year. I'm done talking about that bag. I'm just gonna get it. Well, I could have got it and I didn't. The Cherrywood BB is actually right in the same price range. So currently the Cherrywood BB goes for $2,020, and let's see. Let me look and see how much a Pochette Metis is on the site, if you can get one on the site. Let me see how much one is going for. Okay, so a reverse. Oh wow, the reverse Pochette Metis is actually placed in cart right now. It is $2,050, so it is $30 more than the Cherrywood. And a regular monogram Pochette Metis is also placed in cart right now. Wow, haven't seen that in a while. The regular monogram is $1,980, so just under the reverse and the Cherrywood. And I believe the $1,980, I believe, is what the Cherrywood was before price increases, but obviously that doesn't matter now. So obviously I very well could have gotten a Pochette Metis, and in a lot of groups on Facebook. Not a lot, I'm in a few groups on Facebook. I just kept seeing more people complaining about the Pochette Metis, the quality going down, people only looking for older versions. It was just always something, like literally with the reverse and the monogram, it was just always something going on with the Pochette Metis. You know, after a while I was like, is this really what I want? It's a gorgeous bag, it's the style that I want for sure, but it just wasn't, like, when I was ready to buy it, I just didn't want it anymore. So I went with the Cherrywood BB. In one of the groups that I'm in, it's a buying and selling group, and just for like Louis Vuitton lovers in general, there was actually a lovely lady selling this bag for $17.50, and I'm like, in brand new condition, this thing is perfect, selling it for $17.50, and I saw it, but I was prepared to purchase from the site because, you know, the experience, all that good stuff. But then I thought about it and I'm like, it was right before the last price increase actually. And I was like, well, at the time it was 19. I mean, it didn't jump much, but it was either $18 or $1900 before the price increase, I believe. And I was like, well, with tax and everything, if I can save quite a few $100s and she has it in brand new condition, I might as well just purchase it from her. I went ahead and purchased it within the Facebook group that I'm in. Brand new condition, came with the box, dust bag, all the stuff. It actually comes with a little cloth because this is patent leather. It does get fingerprints. That is literally the only con I have on this bag. It does get fingerprints because it is patent leather, but I knew that going into it. I was perfectly fine. As you can see, it is the same style, same pocket in the back and all that. I'm angling it so the light doesn't hit it, but it is the same style as the Pochette Metis, as you can see. So yeah, I basically got what I wanted without getting the Pochette Metis. I do have kids, so I prefer to be hands-free if possible. I also wanted something with a detachable strap so that, you know, date nights or just whenever I want to, I can take off the strap and just go, you know, top handle. So I wanted options. I love the fact that it has the back pocket here. This fits my phone and my key holder or the key clay. It fits that perfectly. So even when I'm in a bind or like right now with the virus and everything going on, if I don't want to like be in my bag, I'll just put my key clay in the back so that I'm not touching as many things. So that works out perfectly. It literally checked off everything on my list that I wanted. It's black. I wanted a black bag because I didn't have one. I wanted something crossbody, you know, just something different. So like I said, I paid $17.50 for the bag. I believe it's around 22, almost 23 after tax if you were to buy from the site. I feel like I'm happier with this than I would have been with the Pochette Metis. And I know that sounds crazy because Pochette Metis is everyone's like dream bag, but I love her. I love her. So yeah, that is the bag, my Cherrywood BB. If you were interested in the Pochette Metis, I know there are a lot of dupes out there right now, but this is definitely high on the list. It's almost the same bag, obviously a different style, but the similar concept. Overall, I believe this is around an inch smaller than the Pochette Metis. So you're getting very close to the same bag, but not as popular. I literally have only seen a few videos about this bag. I've only seen a few people have it. I love things that like not everyone has, you know, so I'm happy I got over my Pochette Metis phase and went with this guy. I think I want to do a little what's in my bag with you guys because the other item I have to show you is inside. So we're gonna open her up. Like I said, monogram on the inside. This is my favorite part. Opening this and seeing more monogram makes me so excited. The first thing I'm going to pull out, because it's kind of obnoxious and not it's not my norm, so I'm just going to get this out the way. I have a wad of cash. It's like random because I'm holding out to get a Victorine wallet. So yeah, I need to get a wallet like ASAP. The next thing I have is some receipts. Also have my key clay or key pouch. If you haven't already seen, I have a review on this guy that I will link somewhere up top here. Right now this is just full of cards. This is kind of my go-to until I get my wallet. Oh, just a couple quarters and a Burt's Bees lip balm. Then it is dun, 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 dun. It is a medium Kirigami. I love this thing. Actually haven't gotten much use out of it because I plan on using it more as like a makeup bag or like a little catch-all, but I haven't really been going anywhere for obvious reasons, so I haven't gotten much use out of it, but I absolutely love this thing. I did use it once or twice through like my lip gloss, lipstick, lip liner, all that stuff, you know, just the quick stuff that I don't want like out in my bag. I threw those in here and it was perfect. It does have the red interior. I still have the card that came in here because it's just been sitting in my bag. But this is absolutely perfect. This was actually my birthday gift from my husband. I did purchase the complete set. It was purchased from the website. So if you don't know, this does come in a set of 3. There's a large, the medium, and there's a small one. So I ended up giving my mother-in-law, her birthday is 2 weeks after mine and my husband's. I ended up giving the small one to her for her birthday gift from us. And my father-in-law actually bought the big one from me because I was going to sell it regardless. My husband knew that. When I told my husband it was placed in cart on the site, we came up with a plan to give his mom the small one. And I was going to post the big one online for sale. But we ended up showing my mother-in-law when we gave her gift, and she loved it. So we talked my father-in-law into buying it for her as her birthday gift. So my mother-in-law now has the big one and the small one, and I have the medium. Yeah, I love this thing. It is exactly what I wanted. Originally I wanted a mini Pochette, but of course that's sold out. Of course. And it's actually funny because now that I have this, I keep seeing tons of mini Pochettes in like the groups that I'm in. So yeah, one day I still want to add one to my collection, but for right now the medium Kirigami is perfect for what I wanted. It's cute, it's square. I love that it's square. It looks so cute in the bag. I love monogram with no vachetta, so right up my alley. That's actually all that was in my bag. I don't keep much, and that's why I wanted kind of a smaller bag. Yeah, that is that. We are empty. Also, I don't know if I showed you, but there is also an interior pocket in here. So you have it wide open here, and then interior pocket, exterior pocket, and then it closes like that. So it's literally perfect. Just very like girly and dainty to me, but still with some like personality to it. I feel like this is just my perfect bag, so I will definitely be keeping her for a very, very long time. There are quite a few other things that I kind of want from Louis Vuitton and other brands. I was kind of thinking about doing a 2020 and 2021 wish list of all the things that I kind of just want to get at some point. So maybe I will do that. Let me know if you guys want to see a wish list video. So guys, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and looking at my new little baby. Hopefully this helped. If you guys needed a cute little crossbody, this is absolutely a good option. With all that being said, I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away